Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Facebook Lite, how to see friend request sent and received. So now, how to see a friend request sent or friend request received on Facebook Lite. So there's two ways of doing this. So let's get started. So the first way of doing this is to see your friend request or the friend request you sent or received. Just you click on here, the icon right here, the people icon right there, and here are all the friend requests in this area that you will see, that you have received. And if you want to see your friend requests or the friend request that you've sent, just click right here, and here you will see friend requests that you have sent, and it will be located. There will be an option right here to see all. So there you go, guys. That's how you do it. And the second option of doing this is just by going home and then click on the three horizontal line top right corner, then going down till you go to settings, then settings and privacy right here, then click on settings. After clicking on settings, go down to the activity log right here. After once you're here at your activity log, as you can see right here, we just need to go down till you see connections, and then click on the arrow down button, and here you will see the what they call this, a friend request sent and received. So here, added friends, here you will see that. Removed friends, you will also see it right here. Receive friend request, as you can see right here, and the friend request that you sent, you will see it right here, as you can see right here. Here is the sent friend request. There you go, sent friend request. But as of now, we didn't send any friend request, so we can't see it. But as you can see right here, it has a name, send friend request, and receive friend request right here. Receive friend request right there, and send friend request there. And we can also see the add friends and also our remove friends right here. So there you go, guys. That's how you do how you see your that's how you see your friend request sent and received on your Facebook Lite. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, type it in the comment below. Happy to answer you guys, and thank you, guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.